In response to questions from students and parents about where to obtain extra help outside of class time, schools put together a short video to provide options for parents and students. First, I would direct you to the school website, www.jbhs.ca. From the site, there are several pieces of information for parents and students. The first being the assessment calendar, which outlines the dates for any upcoming tests. Clicking on any of the options here, so if I look for instance on May 1st, I would see that there are several assessments listed there. From here though, to obtain specific help, click on the Resources tab. This resources page contains much the information of value to parents in terms of policies, where to obtain transcripts, busing information. But for our session here, looking at review and study assistance, the school district has put together resource material for the following courses here: the grade 8 math program, grade 9, academic math, and grades 10, 11, and 12. Clicking on any of these, so if I pick for instance Math 1201, will direct you to the school district website where they have extra intervention resources there. Any of the links that show below that are in blue would be an instructional video. Anything in green would take students to an assessment that they could complete and get feedback on. And anything in red would be unit reviews. So I pick for instance Unit 5, Linear Functions. Below several links here for the major sections within that chapter. So if a student wants to find out the slopes of parallel lines, this will open up the video where there will be a teacher taking the students through that section. Many of the videos are short, no more than 4 or 5 minutes in length. Anything in green, as we had said, will open up a quiz that students could complete. Students are just asked to put in their email address so they get the feedback, and they will go through and complete each of the questions. Reminder that they would have to click this button here to get a copy of their responses and then submit. CDLI, the Center of Distance Learning and Innovation, has also put together material for students. Going to the CDLI website, www.cdli.ca, will take you to their home site. From here, there are several options available. First, if you scroll down, free online tutoring program. So it's information here for parents. To find out which courses have tutoring available, there's a daily schedule. This schedule is updated each week, and there are tutors in the major subject areas: math in grades 10 through 12, physics, chemistry, biology, science, French, world history, English, Earth Systems, World Geography, grades 7 through 9 math, and grades 7 through 9 science. Through the daily schedule, you can find out when a tutor is available and select your time. To get into the tutoring service, students will follow this link here. Pick their subject area. So if we were interested in science and biology, we then ask students to log into their session. You may be prompted to download a program, the Blackboard Collaborate. That would take a couple minutes to download and install the program. After that, you should see this window here to log in. And then what would open up would be an interactive window where students could engage with a tutor and obtain assistance. I'm just running the program. And I'll pause the video until it opens. When the program itself opens, students here have the options, if they log on when the tutor is available, of asking questions directly to a tutor. All of these sessions are monitored and recorded. I'll just leave this session here. Okay, now that I've closed that window, back to CDLI's website. CDLI also has course review material that students can access. Students would need to set up an account, which is free and takes less than 5 minutes to have done. So they click the sign up button and follow the instructions there. Once they had an account, they could then log in, enter their provided username and password. They would then click on the button here, My CDLI, and there's an option here called Go to Brightspace. Here I've already signed into several courses. When a student first sets up their account, this area will be blank. To register for a course, click the self-registration button. So if I want review material for Advanced Math in grade 11, Math 2200, I will click that link and register, and then submit, finish. Done. Students would then see their course that they registered for appear in the list below. So here would be the Math 2200 course. I would then direct students to go to Content, quizzes are available, and self-assessments. Under Content, each of the units are described here in detail and the number of lessons involved within each unit. So if a student is looking for information on trigonometry in Chapter 2, and again, this isn't teaching the course to them, it's providing them with review material. And you would get the introduction material, again a video on understanding angles and standard position. So you would find that similar for any of the other courses there, and would take students through the material. At the end of most of these sections you would find review questions, and these are done as PDF notes. Instructions for getting into this are posted to the school website. So the student selected here, CDLI course review, it will open up this set of instructions here, taking you through what I just described to you. The last bit of review material would be public for those students doing public exams. So again, from the Schools Resources tab, Public Exam Review Material would take students to the Department of Education and their public exam review material. So if I select, just for an example, Biology 3201, you will get access to previous public exams along with the answer keys. I hope that you've found this video informative. Again, this does not replace asking your teacher questions or tutoring time set up within the building. Thank you, and have a good day.